This is a Canon PowerShot A550 compact camera. This camera was released in 2007, that is 14 years ago. The specification of the camera indicate that it is old. It has a CCD sensor with a resolution of 7.1 megapixels with 4x optical zoom. It has a tunnel viewfinder, which is better than nothing. Works with 2 AA batteries. It has high battery consumption. It is better to get a rechargeable battery. We have an SD memory slot here. It has a Digic 2 processor that enables the camera to have up to 9 focus points. Takes good photos in good light. It really has the ability to record movies in VGA resolution. The camera has a mini USB port for data transfer and an AV port for playing video on TV. Now let's go see some examples of photos and videos I took. How's the sound quality and stabilization? I am walking right now.